Model, 68-plate Volkswagen Crafter County Route 35 long wheelbase, 2.0 TDI 102PS Trendline high roof van body, white, panel van mileage, 48,874 engine, 1,968 cc 2.0 TDI 102PS EU6 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Will need engine repair or replacement. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: cruise control, electric windows, 2 keys EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £18,150. Click the link in the description for pictures.